Dropshipping without ads sound bit strange, right? Most people immediately assume that running a successful dropshipping stores automatically means spending money on Facebook, Google, or TikTok ads. They picture flashy campaigns, targeting, setting, and paying for every single click just to get traffic. But the truth is that's not the only way to make dropshipping work. You can actually run a dropshipping store without spending a single dime on paid ads. And it's definitely not a shortcut and it's not happen overnight, but it's possible. The key is taking a different approach, focusing on organic traffic, building trust with your audience, and creating a store that naturally attracts customers instead of constantly chasing paid clicks. And of course, no doubt, it requires some patience because organic growth is not instant. It's more likely planting a seed and carefully nurturing over time. But when it starts to grow, it's keep bringing visitors to your store without you having to pay for each one. And that's where tools like Doba come in handy. They won't magically get traffic for you, but they make managing product, tracking inventory, and keeping your store professional much easier, which gives you more time to focus on organic growth, a strategy like content, social media, and SEO. Now, most dropshippers start with ads because they are fast. You launch a campaign and suddenly you have traffic coming in. It's convenient, measurable, and it can generate sales almost immediately. But you also know ads have their downsides. For one, they can get expensive really quickly, cost per click rise, campaigns stop performing, and you need to constantly tweak settings just to maintain results. And if your budget runs out, your traffic stops too. That's why I believe relying solely on ads can feel like being on a treadmill. You are always running, but you are not building anything that lasts. Once that ads stop, the sales stop too. And that's why organic traffic is a smarter long-term strategy. Yes, it's slower, but it builds a foundation that lasts. Because instead of paying for each visitor, you will attract them naturally, and that creates a more sustainable business over time. So the question is, what does running a dropshipping store without ads actually looks like? So basically, it's all about organic traffic, people coming to your store naturally through search engines, social media, or content. So let's break down the main strategies. Okay, the first and most important, SEO. Optimizing your store for search engine is one of the most effective organic strategies. That means using the right keyword in product titles, description, and meta tags. Also, adding blogs or guides around your niche also helps. For example, if you sell kitchen gadgets, writing a guide like 5 easy recipes you can make with this tool can attract people searching for solution and they discover your product. Second is content marketing. Creating content, blogs, videos, or tutorials. Position your store as helpful rather than just a shop. Because content builds trust, people don't want to buy from a site that feels like it's only trying to make money. They want value. A video showing how to use a product or a post explaining its benefits can naturally drive sales without any paid ads. Also, social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are excellent for organic growth. Posting consistently, using trends wisely, and engaging with followers can drive people to your store. And even a small account can grow steadily if the content is helpful, entertaining, or visually appealing. The fourth is influencers collaborations. Micro-influencers often promote products in exchange for free samples rather than paying money. Partnering with influencers in your niche exposes your store to a relevant audience organically, which can lead to sales without spending on ads. Now the fifth one is email marketing. Collecting emails addresses from visitors allows you to engage them directly. Sending updates, tips, or product launches keeps people coming back because email marketing is a low-cost way to generate repeat traffic without paid campaigns. And you must engage in niche forums, Reddit threads, or Quora answers can also drive organic traffic. By providing advice or solution related to your products, you build credibility and encourage people to check out your store. And even if you're not running ads, Doba can make dropshipping a lot easier. So here how it works. Doba gives you access to thousands of products from reliable suppliers. You don't need to spend hours researching or waiting suppliers yourself. Real-time stock updates prevent overselling and refunds, which keeps customer happy, a crucial factor for organic growth. And the best part, about 90% of the products are stocked in the US warehouses, which means much quicker delivery compared to overseas shipping. And faster shipping leads to happier customers, better reviews, and more repeat buyers. And this is one of my favorite features in Doba. Doba offers AI store builder, auto listener, and AI optimizer. You don't have to use them heavily, but they can help you quickly set up a professional store and optimize product listing while you focus on organic growth strategies like SEO, social media, and content creation. Now, dropshipping without ads requires patience. Organic growth does not happen overnight. It might take weeks or even months before you start seeing steady traffic from search engines, social media, or influencer collaboration. The key is consistency, regularly posting content, optimizing your store, responding to questions, and engaging with followers gradually build trust and visibility. And trust me, once it starts working, organic traffic keeps coming without you having to spend on ads. Alright, now to make organic dropshipping work, here are some practical tips you can follow. The number one is pick a niche. Focused products are easier to market and attract a target audience. Also, you can create valuable content that includes tutorial, guides, or product demos help draw in visitors naturally. And you must optimize product pages. Good titles, clear descriptions, and high quality images improve SEO and conversion. And you should also engage with your audience, respond to comments, emails, and social messages to build trust. And products that arrive quickly lead to positive reviews, which attracts more organic traffic. And use Doba tools strategically. AI tools are there to save time, not replace organic efforts. Use them for setup and optimization, but focus on creating value and building trust. So if you are ready to move from experimental to serious, checking out Doba Business or Business Pro plan could be a smarter move this month, because getting these tools early can pay off as organic traffic starts rolling in. So the question is, can you dropship without ads using Doba? Absolutely. It takes patience and consistent efforts, but it's possible. By focusing on SEO, content, social media, and community engagement, you can build a store that attracts customers naturally. And Doba makes it easier to manage product inventory and listing, and its optional AI tool helps you set up and maintain a professional store. But the real growth comes from providing value, building trust, and consistently engaging with your audience. So dropshipping without ads is not a shortcut, but it's a sustainable approach that can keep bringing in sales over the long term. And if you focus on organic strategies and smartly use tools like Doba, it's a method that works and is not required spending on paid campaigns. So that is for today. Hope this is helpful for you. If yes, then hit that like button and that's the subscribe button too. And if you want to learn more about Doba and AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now. So have a good day and see you soon.